Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve a very interesting question that 2 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to what? We will solve this exponential question without using calculator. So first of all, 2 raised to power 1, that equals 2, and then we will use this here, 2 raised to power 3, so 2 raised to power 1 equals 2, so we will write this as 2 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the next step we have 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiply 3 2 times, that equals 9. So this gives 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2 can be write as 9. So 2 raised to power 9 into 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2 raised to power 9 means we will write 2 9 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 9 times. So minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will solve this. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 16. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, then 16 into 2 is 32, 32 into 2 is 64, 64 into 2 is 128, 122 into 2 is 256, then 256 into 2 is 512. So we will write this here, 512 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will solve this further. So 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5, 1, 2. That gives 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 cannot be done. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And remaining is 1. So 1833. So our answer will be minus 1833. So this is the answer. Now you can see how easily we have solved this without using calculator. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem like this. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.